Hi, I will discuss the processes involved in achieving the goals of Uready. We conducted interviews, observations, and researches to obtain data for us to use in the Uready's application. During those interviews, observations, and researches, we acquired information about what is Project Exodus, the proper evacuation routes, procedures in catchment areas, and the floor plans of the different buildings of the university. Several internet resources were explored, and the study of our advisor, Mr. Hanobe, and other authors were used in order to attract users, promote the system, and motivate the user engagement. After the interviews and observations, we were able to identify the functional and non-functional requirements of the project. We based the features and modules of the web and mobile application from the functional and non-functional requirements of our project. The functional requirements include informing users about the proper evacuation routes and procedures through a mobile application, by using a content management system to update the contents of the mobile application. While the non-functional requirements include 1. Developing a promotional website to advertise the mobile application and its features. 2. Motivating and engaging users to learn about the proper evacuation routes and procedures through the concept of gamification. And 3. Support of the application on other devices. We considered similar emergency applications like Batingao and the American Red Cross to be based on the Uready's mobile application. Some features of the said application were considered in order to determine the features and modules of the Uready mobile application that will address the functional requirements. By means of our advisor study, it provided us better insights on how game elements are utilized to trigger engagement. We utilized points, community leaderboards, progress bars, badges, achievements, levels, feedback, notifications, profile, and avatars as game elements in Uready's mobile application. A promotional video, screenshots of the mobile application, and the community leaderboard is featured in the website as an additional means of promoting Uready's mobile application. The mobile application was developed in Java programming language using the Android Software Development Kit and SQLite for the database management system because of its suitability for the Android platform. For the development of the web application, we used HTML5, CSS3, PHP5, JavaScript, SQL, Google Map API, Materialize Framework, and jQuery. Since the university's Student Affairs Office, the primary stakeholder of the system, does not have a dedicated server, most of the fields in the current do not specify any specifications. Hence, considering that the gaps between the current and target deployment environment are primarily caused by the lack of a dedicated server, the researcher's sole recommendation is to notify SAO of the need for a dedicated server, requesting the purchase of a server with at least the specifications discussed in target.